Hear that? That's chicken sizzling music for hungry people. Golden, juicy, and whispering. I'm about to change your life. Slide it onto warm tortillas, soft like little flavor pillows. Time for the color party, lettuce crunch, tomato pop, cheese sprinkle. And oh yeah, drizzle that creamy sauce like you're painting the Mona Lisa. Fold it up, bam!
Instant flavor explosion.
Each bite, a mix of comfort food and fiesta vibes. Forget boring dinners. This is a taco that makes your salad jealous. 1 minute, one bite, pure happiness.